Are you tired of staring at charts all day and still hitting losses? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a literal game changer for your Deriv trading. We're looking at PivotCore Net, the ultimate auto trading platform that does the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, this tool is designed to simplify your strategy and maximize your consistency. In this session, I'm focusing on the even odds strategy. It's one of the most popular ways to trade on Deriv, but doing it manually can be stressful. With PivotCore, we automate the process. My goal for this video is simple. I'm going to place 10 trades, and my target is to hit 5 solid wins. By managing our expectations and using the bot's precision, we aim for steady growth rather than reckless gambling. Look at how easy the interface is. You just connect your Deriv account, select your market, and set your parameters. I'm setting my stake and telling the bot exactly when to enter. The beauty of PivotCore is its speed. It reacts faster than any human finger could. Notice how it analyzes the tick patterns before making a move? That's the tech working for you. Let's watch the bot in action. Trade 1, and that's a win. We're looking for that specific sequence. Even when a trade doesn't go our way, don't panic. The system is designed to follow the logic we set. Trading is a game of probabilities. By targeting a 50% win rate with a controlled strategy, we keep our bankroll safe. You can see the transparency here. Every trade, every profit tracked in real time. Why should you switch to PivotCore? Because it removes emotion. Most traders lose money because they get greedy or scared. This platform follows the rules 100% of the time. It's a cloud-based auto trader, meaning you don't need to install heavy software. Just log in, set your bot, and let it execute. And there we have it. 10 trades done, and we hit our target. This is the power of disciplined, automated trading. If you want to stop guessing and start trading like a machine, you need to check out PivotCore Net. I've left the link in the description below. Join the community, set up your bot, and let's start winning together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automated trading setups.